Hi you guys, it's your girl Erica and I am back with another video, and I am showing you guys today how I flat iron my natural hair. I'm gonna start by sectioning my hair off into 4 because I feel like my hair gets the driest when I section it off. You don't necessarily have to use a comb to part because it doesn't matter if it's neat or not. We're not trying to make the parts neat. We're just trying to split it up in 4. That's all, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna start off with spraying some leave-on conditioner. Because I still want my hair to be good and conditioned. And I'm gonna get this and I'm gonna make it nice and wet. Get it juicy. And then I am going to go in with heat protector. That Pantene. Take that and I want to spray that all over my hair like that because it's a heat primer. It's gonna prime and protect my hair. So after I do that, I'm gonna go with my white comb. Start at the bottom. And did I start this video by saying I'm not a professional? This is just how I do it. So I'm just sharing with you guys on how I get my hair super straight. And this right here is the Babyliss. They used to sell that on Walmart. My mother-in-law actually, I got it from my mother-in-law. I knew nothing about that stuff. And then when I finally decided to flat iron my hair, I used it and I was like, oh my god, I love this stuff. But they don't sell it in Walmart or Sally's or anywhere anymore, so you'll have to cop that off Amazon, y'all. Amazon, at least here where I'm at, they don't sell it anymore. So we're gonna run our hands all through here after we put the blowout lotion on there. You can use any type of blowout lotion. I'm just sharing with you guys what I use and what works best for my hair. And this stuff had my blowout looking bomb, so. Okay, so now after I done completed blow drying all over my head in sessions, now I'm gonna take these little twists apart and blow dry. Again, because my scalp is not all the way dry. Like, when you want to, oh, I need to get in shape. I'm running out of breath. But if you want your hair to have a lot of body, you don't want to just blow dry your hair in that one session. Like, you just don't want to blow dry it straight down like this. So I'm going to show you guys for all my natural girls, even if you relax, whenever you blow dry your hair, I don't know, because when you relax, it's kind of, I don't like, I'm speaking for my natural girls, okay? So whenever you blow dry your hair, you don't want to blow dry it super, like, just in that one state like this. You just don't want to do it like that, because then when you flat iron your hair is going to be glued to your head like this. It's going to be, you're going to look, it's going to look crazy. So if you want like that body and that flow and your hair to move whenever you move, this is how you do it. And that was the reason why I did not blow dry my, as I was blow dry my hair, I didn't blow dry it all the way. My roots to dry in the position that I was blow drying my hair within when I had it in sessions. I wanted it to dry as I'm blow drying it all together. So that way, if I want my hair to go this way, it'll have no problem moving this way. If I want my hair to go this way, it'll have no problem going that way.
Whichever way I want my hair to move is really to move,
Alright, so I just got done flat ironing my whole hair, and as you can see, it's very bouncy, very flowy. But I just did a plain part down the middle and did it like this. Now let me tell y'all something. Like, I do not cut layers in my hair. I have not, like, it wasn't a particular way I cut my hair when I did my big chop. I just cut all my hair off. So with that being said, my hair has just been growing, and I guess it just grows in this little, it grows in the V shape. So it's like this part is shorter than this part, and it just, my hair just grew like that. I didn't cut it like that, I didn't trim it like that, I didn't do anything. It just grew. That's how my hair grows. So when I clip it, I just will trim. I just trim it according to how it's already laid. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks pulling it to the back. I don't even know how it looks pulling it to the back. But yeah. So on my lip check video, my hair wasn't, it was like blow dried. Well, was it blow dried or air dried? I think I air dried it, but then I blow dried it a little bit. But this is the length with it being flat iron, and this is where my bra strap is at. And yeah, so my hair is pretty much bra strap length a little bit. Like, I mean, I won't say it's fully bra strap length because I would want it to be right here for it to be bra strap length. So it's almost there because it's like, it's on top of it. It's like literally right here. And I'm holding my head straight up, so it's like right there. So I'm excited with